guys, welcome back to Craft It Up. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very lovely woven ribbon baby headbands. And they're perfect for having a matching accessory for every baby outfit. And you can make them using ribbons of different widths to have thicker or thinner headband. For example, in these I used 1/8 inch ribbon. For these I used 2/8 inch ribbon. And for this one I used 3/8 inch ribbon. And you can use practically any type of ribbon that you want. Okay, so let's get started. What you're going to need is a pair of scissors, your ribbon, and a hot glue gun. I'm going to use this ribbon. And the first thing you need to do is you want to cut out your ribbon, considering that 32 inches of ribbon weaves approximately 3.5 inches of headband. Okay, so I'm going to make mine headband 12 inches long, so I need to cut out 110 inches approximately, but I'm going to add another 10 inches just to make sure. Okay?
If you want to know exactly what length your headband should be, in the description below you'll find a link to my video, What Size Should Headband Be?
Okay, so after you cut out your ribbon, just fold it in half and locate where the center or the middle of the ribbon is. The first thing that you're going to do, you're going to grab your ribbon like this, and you are going to make a loop like this one. Okay? Now you're going to grab your ribbon that's underneath and make a loop like this. And you're going to kind of wrap it around and push it through this other loop. Push and pull down with your other ribbon like that. And you should have something like this. Okay? Now grab the other side of the ribbon and do the same thing. Make a loop and push it through the other loop and pull on the other ribbon like that. And you should have something like this. Do the same thing again. Loop, push, and pull. You want to be fixing it up by pulling on one ribbon and pulling on the other. Now, do the same thing. Loop, push through, and pull on the other ribbon. Be sure to always try to pull on the ribbon the same way in every loop, okay? So that the headband is always the same width, or else you're going to have one part of the headband that looks wider than the other part. Keep doing this until you have finished the end of your ribbon or your desired length of the headband. I'm almost about halfway through, and this is what it's looking like. Alright, as you can see, all my sides are even because I've been pulling on my ribbons and tightening them or loosening them the same way the whole way through. So I've gotten to the end of my ribbon. I'm just going to push it through without looping it, and I'm going to pull right here like that. Okay? All right, so what we're going to do now is you are going to flip this over like that and glue it. I'm going to grab my glue gun. I'm going to put a dab of glue right here, and I'm going to glue it right there. And with this one right here, I am going to push it over to this little square that's right here, and I'm going to glue it on right there. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off. Put a dab of glue and turn it over. And I'm going to cut this off. Okay? All right. So always keep in mind that all types of ribbons are more or less stretchy than others. Okay? In this case, this one stretches out more than maybe a grosgrain ribbon would. So always keep that in mind for the final length of the headband that you're making and the length that you weave it to. All right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to glue one end to the other. And so I'm going to put a dot of glue right here. And glue the other end to it. And just hold on to it tightly so that it glues on really well. Okay, so there we go. You have a beautiful baby headband that won't bother the baby at all and will make her head look very, very beautiful. I hope you liked it, guys. Please like and subscribe.
And click on the videos on your end screen if you want to learn how to make other headbands for girls, or if you want to know how long your headband should be. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.